Hello, here is my air cannon. The design is rather simple. We have a half-inch barrel, and back here we have some 1-inch PVC pipe. We have a valve, tubeless tire valve going into a T, and it's capped on the end. I got my air tank filled up to 125 psi going to this blowgun right here. It shoots these half-inch steel ball bearings. And down here, for your enjoyment, we have a lovely target set up. So let's see what this thing does. Oops, I almost forgot. I can't do this down here. We can't afford to have that thing ricochet and break any chairs. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and maybe next time.